Why did the chicken cross the road? To prove to the possum that it wasn't just chicken. But seriously, folks, life's too short to take seriously. It's like trying to teach a cat to do tricks amusing, but ultimately futile. So let's embrace the absurdity of it all, laugh at the chaos, and remember that we're all just human beings on this crazy rollercoaster called life. And if all else fails, just remember, chocolate. It might not solve your problems, but it's a delicious distraction. Keep smiling, keep laughing, and keep spreading those good vibes like confetti. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Certainly, below is a comprehensive text covering various aspects of agrivoltaic and aquaponic farming, including materials, plant biology requirements, and nutrient considerations. Materials and plant biology requirements for agrivoltaic and aquaponic farms. Introduction. Agrivoltaic and aquaponic farming are innovative and sustainable approaches to agriculture that integrate renewable energy production, crop cultivation, and fish farming. These systems offer several advantages, including increased resource efficiency, reduced environmental impact, and improved productivity. Understanding the materials and plant biology requirements is crucial for the successful implementation of agrivoltaic and aquaponic farms. Materials for agrivoltaic farms. 1. Solar panels. High-quality solar panels are essential for capturing solar energy to generate electricity. These panels should be durable, efficient, and capable of withstanding outdoor conditions. 2. Support structures. Sturdy support structures, such as metal or wooden frames, are needed to mount the solar panels securely above the agricultural area. 3. Crops. Selecting suitable crops that thrive in partial shade is crucial for agrivoltaic farming. Shade-tolerant varieties of vegetables, herbs, and fruits are ideal for cultivation under solar panels. 4. Irrigation system. An efficient irrigation system, such as drip irrigation or micro-sprinklers, ensures that crops receive adequate water without wasting resources. 5. Soil amendments. Organic matter, compost, and other soil amendments enhance soil fertility and promote plant growth, especially in areas where solar panels may limit sunlight penetration. Plant biology requirements for agrivoltaic farms. 1. Light requirements. Crops grown in agrivoltaic systems must tolerate partial shade and thrive in lower light conditions. Understanding the light requirements of different plant species is essential for successful cultivation. 2. Water needs. Proper irrigation management is crucial to ensure that crops receive sufficient water without overwatering. Monitoring soil moisture levels and adjusting irrigation accordingly is important for plant health. 3. Nutrient management. Balancing nutrient levels in the soil is essential for plant growth and productivity. Regular soil testing and fertilization are necessary to provide crops with the nutrients they need. 4. Temperature regulation. Agrivoltaic systems can affect microclimatic conditions, including temperature. Selecting crops that can tolerate fluctuations in temperature is important for adapting to changing environmental conditions. Materials for aquaponic farms. 1. Fish tanks. Durable fish tanks or ponds are essential for raising fish in aquaponic systems. These tanks should be large enough to accommodate the desired fish species and equipped with aeration and filtration systems. 2. Grow beds. Grow beds filled with growing media, such as gravel or clay pellets, provide a substrate for growing plants and serve as the biofilter for the aquaponic system. 3. Pumps and plumbing. Pumps and plumbing components circulate water between the fish tanks and grow beds, ensuring proper nutrient distribution and oxygenation. 4. Fish. Selecting fish species that thrive in aquaponic systems is essential for successful fish farming. Tilapia, trout, and perch are common choices for aquaponic farming due to their adaptability and fast growth rates. 5. Plants. Leafy greens, herbs, and vegetables are commonly grown in aquaponic systems. These plants absorb nutrients from the water and help purify it for the fish. Plant biology requirements for aquaponic farms. 1. Nutrient uptake. Plants grown in aquaponic systems absorb nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, from the water. Understanding the nutrient requirements of different plant species is essential for optimizing growth and productivity. 2. pH balance. Maintaining proper pH levels in the aquaponic system is crucial for nutrient availability and plant health. Monitoring pH levels regularly and making adjustments as needed ensures optimal growing conditions. 3. Oxygenation. Adequate oxygen levels in the water are essential for both fish and plant health. Proper aeration and circulation systems help oxygenate the water and prevent anaerobic conditions. 4. Temperature control. Plants grown in aquaponic systems have specific temperature requirements for optimal growth. Monitoring water temperature and providing appropriate insulation or heating systems help maintain ideal growing conditions. Conclusion. Agrivoltaic and aquaponic farming offer sustainable solutions to traditional agriculture, integrating renewable energy production, crop cultivation, and fish farming. By understanding the materials and plant biology requirements for these systems, farmers can optimize productivity, conserve resources, and reduce environmental impact. With careful planning and management, agrivoltaic and aquaponic farms hold tremendous potential for meeting the growing demand for food, while promoting environmental sustainability. Your engagement matters. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your feedback helps us improve and grow. Plus, subscribing to our YouTube channel ensures you never miss out on our latest content. So, hit that like button, share with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe today. We appreciate your support and look forward to hearing from you. Together, we can make this community thrive. Let's spread the word and make a positive impact together.